Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, you will need some essential tools for this repair: a precision screwdriver set, a spudger, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure that you have a clean workspace to avoid any unnecessary complications during the repair process. Start by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 530 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the perimeter. Keep track of these screws as they can vary in size. Once the back cover is off, take a moment to clean the internal components with compressed air. This helps remove dust and debris that can interfere with the motherboard's performance. Be cautious while cleaning and avoid touching any sensitive components directly. Next, locate the motherboard. You will notice that it is connected to various cables and components. Carefully disconnect these cables using your spudger, ensuring not to apply too much force to avoid damaging any connectors. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help assess the issue without any pressure. Now, focus on the screws that hold the motherboard in place. Use your precision screwdriver to remove these screws, and gently lift the motherboard from its housing. If it feels stuck, double-check for any hidden screws or clips that may still be securing it. With the motherboard removed, inspect it for any visible damage such as burnt components or broken traces. If repairs are necessary, you may need soldering tools. Ensure you follow proper safety protocols when soldering. If you're not comfortable with this step, consider that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process hassle-free. After addressing any issues, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the motherboard back into its housing, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables carefully, ensuring each connector is seated properly. If you are uncertain about this process, remember, we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs involved without any surprises. Finally, replace the back cover and secure it with the remaining screws. Power on your Lenovo Yoga 530 to test if everything is functioning correctly. If any issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We are here to help, ensuring your device runs smoothly again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.